Alright, so today we're going to be installing carbon fiber fender garnishes on my We're going to be replacing the stock fender garnish, so it's going to look like this. And I'm doing this because one, they look way better, and two, when I got it wrapped, they couldn't really get around the 86 sign there. So we're going to pop these off and we're going to put these on. So hopefully you guys enjoyed this video. It should be pretty quick, it should be pretty easy, and it should make the car look pretty damn good. So the first thing I'm going to do is just take the fender garnish off. It should have tape on the underside, but when I got the vehicle wrapped, I don't think they reapplied any tape. So pull the tape off, and then it's got clips underneath. You just pull the clips out like so. I don't have a plastic thing that pulls the shit off the car for me, so I go the old-fashioned way with your fingers. Try not to break anything. Just like that. And there's your stock fender garnish. So that's what it should look like. Let's see. So pretty cool, huh? I think that looks pretty damn good. So nice sleek carbon fiber look right there. It came with a 3M double-sided tape. So it came with its own 3M double-sided tape. So I'm just gonna take a little bit here. I'm not gonna do like big strips, I'm gonna do smaller strips. Cut. So I'm gonna put a small strip on there first. See it? Now I got it too high there, so don't want it to be showing. Tape on. Garnish on. And that's a stick. So I'll just do that all around the back of the fender garnish. Alright, so for the fender, here's the tape. So, there you go. Easy as pie, fender garnish. What do you think? Alright guys, second fender garnish. As far as we go, push it down. And voila! SCION FRS is ready. Brand new fender garnish. No, I think it looks pretty cool. And then if we ever take the wrap off and it goes back to red, you know, it'll have that red-black look. You know what I mean? Alright. If you guys enjoyed the video, hit that like button. Subscribe if you haven't, and thanks so much for watching. Hopefully you guys learn how to take off your fender garnishes if you never knew how to do that before and install new ones. Yeah. That was terrible, but it worked.